Hi again. I'm here with another tech tip for today. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving. There are some new threats coming out every day, and all employees or individual users must be trained to prevent those cybersecurity threats. So, how can you do that? It can be constant training and constant simulation of those scenarios, like constant fake fish or constant face smish, and all these are part of the training, and people need to understand the threats are real. So that's the only way to prevent most of these threats. Thank you for watching.